I don't think that you can be a free thinker in school.
Good life, easy.
Like no student can think freely in school. You're told what to do.
Yeah. At least the schools we went to.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
how we were educated for sure. Overall, our education system is like a test of memory, not a test of knowledge. I think when we were in school, we didn't even know what free thinking was.
Yeah. But isn't that a fuck up, bro?
It is.
Shouldn't you be taught how to think
1000%.
freely?
Who's more creative than a child?
Nobody. Every
What's the
school
system?
follows the STEM system.
STEM system?
Yeah, which
Oh,
is
I don't
sciences,
know.
technology,
Okay.
engineering, and mathematician.
In school?
Yeah, mathematics. This STEM
Okay.
is what people pay a lot of focus to.
Okay.
Don't you think that one of the most important factors has been left out of this whole learning, which is art? Why isn't art given a more attention or more focus on?
I completely
Why?
agree with you.
Because if you study art, you think creatively, you think out of the box. Schools don't want you to think out of the box.
True that.
Schools want you to
All the artists anyways
Yeah, bro.
portrayed as rebels.
exactly.
Yeah, you're
like
right.
even for example, in that newspaper,
Yeah.
the article that came to a few weeks back that went viral, the number one non-essential worker that was listed in the list was an artist. Non-essential worker first, artist. You understand?
मतलब ये कुछ काम का ही नहीं है?
हाँ, काम का ही नहीं है.
क्या
तू घर
यार?
पे ही रह. You know what Elon Musk says?
What?
He says that no matter what, like students are being taught like crazy ass equations, but the idea is that they are solving equations. They don't know what it will be used. It's not about you going to school and learning logic,
Correct.
learning a logic of a subject. You're sent to school to get good marks. If you don't get good marks, you're not a good student. We are not following an educational system.
Yeah.
We are following an examination system.
Yeah. Bro,
Right?
by the time you go to 8th grade, your mission in life is to get good enough marks in your board exams. You know, from 8th to 10th, you prepare for your boards. So you get into a good college.
Do you think that that's something that the government doesn't want you to do? That you've been trained and tested to live in that rat race.
True
okay?
that.
What is school, okay?
That's true.
Okay, you're put into a damn setup, which I call the factory setup.
Factory setup.
This is the factory setup, mate. Factory model of education means that what the industry wants, the schools are producing. You know, you're not allowed to think freely. You can't think out of the box. And the other thing is that, dude, the biggest influence on a kid's life after parents is who?
Teacher.
Teachers, bro. The teacher shapes the mind of the child, bro, when he's going to go into the future, the things he's
that.
going to do. And if you're already dissing your teacher at a young age, bro,
Yeah.
you're already on a negative mindset. Just think about it. You're in fucking maths class and you just get up and you're like, teacher, this is not for me. I'm leaving class. Bro, you'll get fucking suspended.
Sit down.
You know?
Sit down, boy.
You can't question teachers.
You can't question teachers.
So the current education system is obedience over education.
Okay.
You're understanding? My sister still tells me that when we see Tare Zameen Par, we used to think that's you. Look towards your future. Look towards your future. If you don't get these marks, you won't get into this college. If you don't get into this college, you won't get a good job. If you don't get a good job, you won't be called successful.
See, that's what I'm
But
saying.
what about fucking living in the moment, yo? You can't think out of the box, bro.
Bro, and what
You're
a
suppressed.
What a fuck all box to be in.
They are manufactured. Students are manufactured every year.
Yeah, true
You
that,
know?
true that, true
Okay,
that.
जो commerce में, whoever studied commerce will fit into these industries.
That's why-
Whoever has studied science will fit into these
Exactly,
industries.
exactly.
There's a big guy sitting on top
Yes.
who's making bank out of all of
Exactly.
this.
You know what? Rahul has 3 options. You're a failure artist, so you go to art. You know, you want to do your dad's business, you want to BCom, or you want to be an engineer, you
Do this.
science.
Bro, have you
So
ever...
science, commerce, or arts?
Where the fuck is arts?
That's what I'm saying.
Where the fuck is arts?
And arts is so looked down upon.
Yo,
Either it's for girls, or either it's for people who didn't get into commerce.
where the
Why?
fuck is arts?
Yeah.
Why are you looking down on art? You
So
know?
science is the elitist.
Yeah. Science
Commerce
is...
is like, chalo, science नहीं मिला तो commerce is second best. And art is the, अरे,
Yeah.
क्या कर रहे हैं? Arts में,
Arts,
अरे
oh,
बाप
you
रे.
took arts or? Acha.
Shit.
You
You like what? You failed in the 10th standard? No. He's doing arts. Future is gone.
for the British era, bro, Indians have been known to be like scholars, bro.
Sitting idle and thinking that, okay, my career choices, what are the options? Okay, my education choices, what are the options? Let's make the best choice sitting out here, you know? Because I'm the smartest, you know? I will make the right decision from the options I have. Yes. You
True, bro.
learn shit from doing shit.
You're telling me Mike Tyson would have been the same athlete he is if he
Again.
was fucking taught maths, geography, history. You're not taught to live in the moment, bro. I've never been living in the moment when I was in school.
Yeah.
I was just taught that, listen,
So true. So
listen, next year you're going to be in the 7th standard.
I completely
After
agree
that,
with
you're going to be in the 8th standard. Every year you have to level up. If you can't level up,
true. You better
you're
go
gonna
to the
fucking
8th
fail.
standard. You better
have
go to the 9th standard, or you're a failure.
Yeah. From a young age, you're taught कि तू future का देख. When you start thinking of the future, you forget about the present only, boss.
I completely agree with you, bro. This thinking about the future, the fucking the pain in
Bro.
the ass, bro.
Bro, future पे देखो, if you don't go to Jai Hind College, HR college, which I look at Louis Vuitton and Gucci. Boss. Jai Hind is Louis Vuitton. HR is Gucci. Sydenham, they've made Spiker jeans.